everyone, welcome to our channel Mania Learning Point. And see, meet my cutie Mania here. Hello Mania.
Hi everybody.
Okay, what are you going to do today Mania?
We are going to learn about Python basics.
Yeah, exactly.
The basics of the Python we are going to learn about.
Yes, exactly. And we have covered so far so many topics actually, but slowly we are going to, because I'm teaching Mania as well, so it will take some time to cover the different topics, because we are going to tell you in very simple language what is the terms in Python, right? So today our main agenda to discuss about the topic is called variables. What is called?
Variables.
Today we are going to discuss the variables. Mania, what is a variable basically? Can you please define me? I told you already, but you still define it. What is variable?
Variable is a box that keeps all your all the written work that you have wrote.
Good. Written work basically is kind of
it keeps all
information,
that stuff.
Right? Information, right?
Yeah.
Data, information. Like suppose I want to tell the computer, can you please hold my name, my whole family name, the whole country name, whole school name, all the students of the school. What are these? What are these?
Variables.
No, wait. These are the information. These are the data, right?
Yeah, these are the data.
Exactly. So variable is nothing. Don't get confused. Variable is very simple thing. Variable is like a box. Since Mania, I'll tell you box, the toy box. Just assume it's a toy box. Okay?
If you have so many toys, then where do you keep it? Then where do you keep it? In a box, right?
Exactly. And different kind of toys, right? Not a single toy. Right?
Yeah.
You have a car, you have an aeroplane, you have a teddy bear, you have so many other stuff toys, right?
Yeah.
You keep all these toys in one container, in one box.
Yeah.
Today you have bought elephant toy. Tomorrow what are you doing? You're buying some other toy, aeroplane. Day after tomorrow again, what are you going to buy? You're going to buy fighter jet. Again, day after tomorrow, next day you're buying new. Again you're bringing the toys, and where are you keeping? You're just playing, and again you're keeping into your bucket, right? In the toy, in the box, right?
In that
then what is
container.
happening? In the container, right? What is happening here, guys? Box size is increasing. Variable volume size is increasing. Box size is increasing. That means it is taking some space, right?
Yeah.
The same thing happens in the computer language as well. What happens? The same thing, exactly same thing happens in computer. What happens in computer? When we store today, I have very less record, right? Today, let's take an example. I wanted to store Mania's name, right? Tomorrow, I wanted to store Mania's family detail. Whole fun. What is Mania's dad name? What is Mania's mother name? What is Mania's brother name?
And tomorrow they wanted to buy me many toys in my birthday.
Yeah. Now see, again jumped on the toys. So every time you're buying new toys and you're keeping into your toys bucket in the box. So I told you that is box is like a variable. Then what is happening in computer term, in computer language, we call it as a variable. Like suppose you want to keep some information in that variable, what we do? We use a variable. What do you call?
We use a
variable. Right?
Yeah.
And that variable can be a different type also.
Yeah.
Right? The type is nothing but different kind of toys. Exactly?
Yeah.
Different kind of toys, right? So what happens? The same thing, it happens in computer language as well. The computer cannot understand by himself, right? Yeah. We have to tell them. Means Python knows what is the something you are writing, if it's something you're writing in the variable, that variable understand, yeah, this kind of information related to this type, this kind of information related to this type. And types are so many in the Python. What are those types, Patya? I told you last time. There is string, we have a string, we have integer,
we have
float,
we have float,
we have double values. We keep all this information inside the variable exactly. I'm going to tell all these different type of variables. First, before that, we are very excited to tell you what is variable. Why variable? Why it is called variable? Variable basically nothing but it changes the behavior. It changes the type. It changes whenever it's required. Let's take an example. As I told you, variable is like a box. We keep the box. Okay. In the box, today I have aeroplane. Okay. And tomorrow I have a fighter jet. Day after tomorrow I have a Mania's pretty gudiya, right? Doll. Okay. And day after tomorrow again we have some other kind of toys. What is happening, guys? Box is getting full, right? The same way, when we assign a different variables, it consumes some space in the computer system. Okay. And different type of variables, different information is getting shared with the variable. That means variable is keep on changing. What is happening? Keep on changing. Let's take an example. Box. Today we have one toy in the box. Tomorrow we have two toys. We have different type of 3 toys. So variable is storing different
kind of toys.
Different. The same thing happens in the computer as well. What happens in the computer? Even what it does, it stores the different type of
variables. Informations.
Yeah. Now I'm going to tell you one very basic information here. I'll write the program and then after you guys can practice at home by your own. By writing, you can prepare so many variables. You can prepare one variable of your family. You can prepare a variable of your country. You can prepare a variable of your friends. You can prepare the variable of your school list. Right? All are these information. Right, Mania? Yeah. So let's start the writing the program here. Now I'm going to create one variable called Mania
underscore FA.
Mania family. And this is called Mania family is a variable, okay? And whatever value I'm going to define here, I'm going to define into a string. You know how to define a string, right? I'll write here Mania family. Okay? And here I'm going to store that Pradeep, Mania,
Neelam,
her mom,
Parth,
her brother. We stored in one string format. That means this is a Mania family name is stored into this format. Okay. Now I wrote it, but how to see the output of this? How to see the output of this Mania? What is the value? What is the output of this Mania family, this variable?
Output of this is...
How can we type it? How can we show the output in the console?
A command S. Command S.
No, I'm talking about that's not command. I'm talking about the program. What to write here? We have to print in the console, right? Then we have to use a print command here. Use a print here, okay, and put this Mania family here. That means what you're telling to this computer with this line of code, print, and inside the braces, what you're typing? This variable name. What is the variable name?
Mania
family. And this Mania family variable is like a box. It holds her family names.
Yeah.
Right? It holds her family name. So we are printing here the Mania family name. So the same thing we are going to see the output here.
We are copying output.
To see the output of this variable.
Yeah, to see the.
How can we see the output? We have to use this print
Yeah, print.
function. It's called function. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to do, I'll just save this program. Okay, and I'm going to run the program. Python mania.py. Oh, my daughter name is Mania. This Python, where is that? Okay. Okay, we are where are we in Mania folder. So we need to go in tutorial. This is taking this Mania. It is taking this Mania. Okay, we need to go inside this tutorial. So we'll change the directory. CD tutorial. Now we'll use the same command, python.mania. Now you see here. Oh my god, what happens, Mania? Why it is throwing error? Why it is throwing error? Because there is an intent error here. Okay, the program is disturbed. Now I'll save it and I will just execute once again. Now it is printing. Look here, I'll just clear it. What is typing? Pradeep, Mania, Nilam, Parth, right?
Yeah.
What is the variable? We want to see the value of this variable. So what we did? What did you do here? You just type it. You're just printing the value of this variable.
Yeah.
Exactly, right? Now I'll show you. The variable is changing here. I'll show you how the variable is changing. Now what I'll do, the same variable, I'm going to copy paste here, and then I'm going to assign here some different values for this variable. Let's take an example, 34. Now what is this? The first line, what is the value of this Mania family? These, Pradeep, Mania, Nilam, Parth. In the second line, what is the behavior? Now what is the value? 34. 34 is an integer. What is called?
Integer.
It is called integer. Now I am going to run this program. What is printing, Mania?
34.
Why it is not printing Pradeep, Mania, Nilam, Parth? Because variable is meant for that. Variable always changes the behavior.
Yeah, changes the behavior.
Yeah, it changes the value. Whatever is the recent value, it will pick that one only.
Yeah.
Now,
whatever we written, that it will pick up.
yeah. So what is happening here? Today, first day you kept this toy. Second day you kept one more toy in this. Okay, but it is printing the whole. It is changing the whole, no, because it consumes a lot of different size, right? It's a different value, right? So it is printing the Mania family value is 34. You get it?
Yes.
This is what the basics of the variable. Okay, we are going to learn in depth. I will tell you, this is the very basic as per the kids' knowledge. This is the basic. We are going to tell you very depth, but you have to be expert in this one. So
yeah,
please subscribe our channel Mania Learning Point. We are going to bring a lot of tutorials free of cost. Thank you.
Bye.